Former Tripura Health Minister Sudeep Roy Burman has raised a series of allegations against the State Health Department. At this COVID-19 pandemic, Tripura needs dedicated health minister, says the former health minister and BJP MLA Sudeep Roy Burman. He said that if present COVID-19 situation continues in the state, then he fears that over 650 people will die in Agartala itself by December. Here's a report. Tripura's former health minister and sitting MLA of ruling BJP Sudeep Roy Burman came out with terrifying stories about total mismanagement in COVID-19 treatment in AGMC and GBP Hospital, the main hospital of the state. Addressing a press conference on Friday at Agartala Press Club, Burman raised series of allegations against the State Health Department, including incidents of COVID-19 patients lying in the hospital unattended, uncared and lying dead for 3 to 4 days inside the unit rotting. He challenged by saying that he possesses photographic evidence of the incident. Burman said that if the present COVID-19 situation continues in the state, then he fears that over 650 people will die in Agartala itself by December. Sudeep Roy Burman, who was sacked from the health ministry in a tussled and allegedly personal vendetta of Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb and Minister Ratan Lal Nath, alleged that a total chaotic situation is going on in the main COVID-19 hospital and patients are deprived of proper treatment due to the lack of proper coordination and monitoring in the hospital, despite lots of SOPs and circulars. He added that entire process of treatment is being carried out based on assumptions. Strangely, no staff is available when an ambulance arrives in front of the hospital, and in certain cases, patients have died inside the ambulances. The CT scan machine, the X-ray machine and even portable X-ray machines are not working in GBP and the government is not aware of it, he further alleged. He alleged only a handful of doctors are attending the COVID-19 center, as the majority of senior doctors, except 4 senior doctors, all have denied to perform COVID duty, stating at high risk.
My intention is to save the lives of the people who are helpless, in a helpless position in COVID care hospital. With this system in existence, the government, though our intention is very good, but we will be allowing the patients to die untreated and uncared, unattended.
Burman's allegations are significant as only 2 days back, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb, also the health minister, visited the GBP hospital to take note of the ground reality and review the situation. Burman, though, overruled that it as a failure of the Chief Minister or the government and rather view it as the failure of those who have been entrusted the responsibility.
There are loopholes, and for identifying those loopholes, I am over here just to bring it to the knowledge of the Chief Minister of the state to take necessary actions in this regard. There are several persons who are there with him who does not know the reality of the situation. They have never entered. The Chief Minister should monitor the situation by interacting with the people, those who are performing their duties inside, be it a cleaning staff, be it a doctor and a nurse or anyone who are the service provided in the COVID care hospital. He should interact more frequently with them in spite of those students who never entered in the hospital even for once.
Sudeep Burman also advised Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb to monitor the situation personally so that things can be managed in better way. At this COVID-19 pandemic, Tripura needs dedicated health minister, says the former health minister, and suggested that the Chief Minister should get relief from the responsibility of the health department and hand over it to individual minister. Bureau Report.